Awesome, guys. So first of all, welcome to this video here. So दोस्तों, I will be talking about 5 biggest mistake most of advertisers making on the while running on the ad. So basically जो हम लोग जब भी Facebook पे ad run करते हैं, most of the people are making these mistakes. And in this video, in this live call, I will be decoding all those strategies. Okay. So first of all, welcome all of you for being here. Thank you very much. Now let me tell you guys. I want to tell you one thing here. First of all, okay. So still Facebook is the #1 platform, right? I strongly believe because मेरे business के लिए most of the leads, customer, clients for my training business, coaching business, consulting business comes from Facebook, and that is the way better than this one now. Okay, so please watch this video till the end, be till the end, and I will be asking a lot of questions. And guys, जो लोग last तक देखेंगे session, I am having special gift for you, right? So now let me tell you here, talk about the specific topic. As I told you, the Facebook is #1, right? You can run ad for lead generation, your products, your coaching, consulting, whatever may be. But in the marketing, वहां पे एक concept है that is called dream customer, right? What is, guys? Dream customer. Like आपका dream customer कौन है? Same thing on the Facebook, but you know, guys, more than 96% people are making mistake. What mistake? What mistake? Basically targeting randomly. जो इंटरेस्ट टारगेट होता है फेसबुक के अंदर, इन द फेसबुक हम लोग टारगेट कर सकते हैं बेस्ड ऑन देयर इंटरेस्ट, देयर फॉलोइंग्स, देयर हैबिट्स. Like suppose somebody is in the cricket, we can target cricket. But now mistake, what are the mistake? Let me tell you here. Let me take you on my screen. In case you are watching this, in case you are watching this video on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button right now, because I will be creating a lot of contents. If you are on the Facebook, please like, share, comment, because this is the show with me on the how to dominate in the online marketing. Okay, so here we go. Let me share my screen here. Let's go here. Awesome. So here we go. If you see my screen, dosto, let me just type in comment box if you can see Srikin. Here we go. Awesome. Here we go. So right now the concept here, as I was talking about, like concept, right? As I told you, the targeting is important in the Facebook ad. Targeting is very important. I mean to say, basically, if you say targeting like कि आपका ड्रीम कस्टमर, उसका इंटरेस्ट क्या है, उसका ये एज ग्रुप क्या है, व्हाट ही लाइक, व्हाट ही इज पेन, उनका क्या पेन है. बेसिकली ड्रीम कस्टमर, आपका जो ड्रीम कस्टमर है ये पता होना बहुत जरूरी है. बट इन द फेसबुक, इफ यू हैव एवर रन द एड इन द फेसबुक, वहां पे ऑप्शंस है, आप बेस्ड ऑन इंटरेस्ट उनको सर्च कर सकते हो, टारगेट कर सकते हो. सो दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. टारगेटिंग इज इंपॉर्टेंट, ड्रीम कस्टमर. एंड सेकंड पार्ट, एज आई टोल्ड यू, फेसबुक इज द still #1 platform. But now let's talk about the 5 mistakes, right? What are the 5 mistakes? I will show you some live my campaigns. Okay, I will be showing my live campaigns. How do I target? How do I get customer? Okay, are you ready? If you are ready, type in comment box ready. Awesome. So here we go. So first mistake, dosto, first mistake here, if you see my screen, first mistake most of the people make here is मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हु इज इनसाइड इंटरेस्ट. मतलब जब भी हम लोग फेसबुक पे टारगेटिंग करते हैं, सो मोस्ट ऑफ, आई वाज देयर, यू आर नॉट अलोन, आई वाज देयर. जब मैंने फेसबुक पे एड रनिंग, लाइक स्टार्टेड रनिंग द एड ऑन द फेसबुक, बेसिकली आई वाज टारगेटिंग टू मेनी पीपल ब्लाइंडली. मुझे पता ही नहीं चलता था कि वेदर दे आर माय राइट टारगेट ऑडियंस और नॉट. ओके, दैट वाज द मिस्टेक. बट सपोज आपको लगता है कि पीपल हु हैव लाइक्ड योर पेज, आपका फेसबुक पेज जिन लोगों ने लाइक किया है, दे माइट बी योर ड्रीम कस्टमर. बट ऑलवेज दैट इज नॉट अ राइट थिंग. ओके, इफ यू सी हियर, लाइक फेसबुक फैन पेज, कभी कभी हम लोग टारगेट कर सकते हैं कि जिन लोगों ने हमारा फेसबुक पेज लाइक किया है, वी वांट टू टारगेट ऑन देन फेसबुक. बट लेट मी टेल यू हियर, those are not always your right customer. What I mean to say, आपका जो फेसबुक पेज है, lots of your friends and other people can also like. Okay, but I'm talking about, that is the misunderstanding. So you need to understand that difference. जब भी हम लोग फेसबुक पे एड रन करते हैं, we should not rely on that part. That is the #1 mistake, right? So mistake number 2 here, I want to tell you here, please understand, not all interests are same. This is a big, guys, this is a big. जितने भी हम लोग इंटरेस्ट टारगेट करते हैं, नॉट ऑल इंटरेस्ट, जितने भी इंटरेस्ट आर नॉट क्रिएटेड सेम. सपोज I mean, let me give example यहाँ पे. Let me give example. आप यहाँ पे cricket. Let's say example cricket. You are in cricket. Cricket में आप हो. Let's say we are in. I'm talking about India here. So आपको लगता है कि if you are doing something related to cricket, आप cricket coaching हो या fit whatever it is, आप product sell करते हो cricket के अंदर. It can be anything. So if you are targeting cricket, example cricket, आप Facebook के अंदर Facebook interest के अंदर you can enter cricket, but that doesn't mean always cricket. The people who like cricket keyword are right audiences. There is a secret I will share. Okay, I will share secret 3 and 4 with solution. That is not a right keyword. Okay, this is too broad. Not all interests are created like same. Cricket matlab it can be anything. Okay, now let me show you here my screen. If you see on my screen here, okay, all right. If you see here, suppose mera how I do. Suppose I am going on Facebook here, Facebook business. So in the Facebook, whenever you target, there is an option to select the right audiences. Like select the right audiences. If you see my screen here, I am just showing you live here how you can target your interest. Right here we go. My campaign is going on there. I hope you are guys. Are you enjoying this video? Okay, are you enjoying this video or learning something new? And talk about share. Basically, if you see here my target audience, suppose I am reading this ad and I go here ad campaigns, right? So ad campaigns में जाने के बाद you can find the people who are like कौन लोग हैं. Right now, suppose I have some target audience. I follow some Tony Robbins, and since I'm in training industry, suppose यहाँ पे डाल सकते हो तो Facebook के अंदर there is an option. Okay, there is an option to target people. Okay, आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो target people. Suppose for example यहाँ पे मैं डालता हूँ कि interest. Let me type interest here, cricket. Okay, cricket. If I type cricket, okay, आपको दिख रहा है cricket. Interest, people who like cricket, cricket balls, cricket balls, so many things are there. So just like that one I was talking about here, basically all interests are not created. So what you can do, right? आप इसके अंदर you can do things. Cricket के अंदर कौन है? Suppose सचिन, इंडिया में सचिन तेंदुलकर. Okay, you might target Sachin Tendulkar. इसका मतलब ये भी नहीं कि people who follow Sachin Tendulkar all are interested in cricket. You need to go deep. Right? Suppose if you are selling something related to cricket, you have to go deep, right? So I mean to say example कि आपको क्या लगता है कि आप क्रिकेट में इंटरेस्टेड है, you find somebody new, like कोई नया प्लेयर है, he just starting, he don't know, like as a public figure, as a motivation, he is not like that much famous. In case वो बंदा जितना famous नहीं है, so I want to tell you one thing here. Suppose जो बंदा famous नहीं है, he is not famous on the internet, might be he is playing cricket. Okay, so you can target him. Like suppose as compared to suppose Hardik Pandya. Suppose since he started new initially, like he is not that much famous, but he is playing cricket, right? So he might be people who follow Hardik Pandya. Those are our target audience, right? That is secret number 2. Now let me give example. Third secret here, guys. Are you enjoying? Are you learning something? If you are learning, if you are watching on the Facebook right now, you can share your comments below. You can share your comments below. Okay, you can share the comments below. I want to tell all of you, people who are watching live, if you are thinking on the online advertising, क्या है? What is the big challenge you are facing, right? So now let me talk about secret number 3, guys. Targeting obvious interest. Okay, as I told you, suppose हर कोई Facebook पे जाने के बाद you can target anybody like cricket, goal, business, digital marketing. Obvious, मतलब हर कोई target कर रहा है. Example की that is the biggest mistake. But here I'm telling you here कि I'm going to give a strategy here. Please make a note of this. For example, cricket. If you type cricket keyword, जितने भी आपके competitors है, they also might be targeting same keyword. इसके मतलब क्या हो रहा है? Red ocean. Everybody is targeting same interest. Instead of doing that one, I'm giving solution now here. Solution can be like, if you do that one, you fight against everyone else. Bidding strategy. You know, the Facebook is all about क्या है दोस्तों? Bidding होता है पूरा. कि किसमें bidding in the sense pricing war होता है. पूरा pricing war होता है. जिस keyword में जितना competition उतना cost per lead high जाता है. Right? So you have to avoid that. How you can avoid that one? Let me tell you here. Select the famous brand. Like select the famous brand or famous people. Suppose I am in training, coaching, consulting industry, digital growth. In my industry, who are famous like Tony Robbins, Robert Kiyosaki, Warren Buffett, and so many people are there, right? Gary Vaynerchuk. So you can select the famous brand or famous people. That is the one thing. Suppose आप फिटनेस के अंदर हो, फिटनेस और वेलनेस के अंदर हो, you can find somebody who is really like famous people. Target people. मतलब instead of if you target weight loss, everybody is targeting weight loss on the Facebook. But if you know somebody who is the like coach or expert who is coaching other people and he's a well-known person, you can target them, right, guys? Bomb, amazing. You can target them. Third, what else? Okay, this is the amazing, guys. This is amazing, right? What else your ideal customer buy? Suppose आपके जो customer है target audience, what they buy. और क्या बाय करते हैं, माइट बी रिलेटेड मार्केट. सो आई वांट टू टेल यू रिलेटेड मार्केट इज सेम क्लाइंट. मतलब आपको देखना है कि कौन सा वो दूसरा रिलेटेड मार्केट है. दोज आर हैविंग सेम टारगेट ऑडियंसेस, राइट? सपोज लेट मी गिव एग्जांपल हियर. राइट नाउ इफ यू टेक एग्जांपल somebody here in wellness coach, okay, or weight loss coach. Somebody is wellness, if you are a wellness coach example, and आपको क्या करना है कि जो वेलनेस कोच है, जो पीपल हु आर फैट, जो लोग दे आर ट्राइंग टू लूज देयर वेट, क्या कर सकते हैं? उनका इंटरेस्ट क्या हो सकता है? माइट बी दे आर इंटरेस्टेड इन सप्लीमेंट्स और सम स्पोर्ट्स. यू कैन फाइंड दोस अदर कैटेगरीज and target the people like that brand. Suppose let me tell you here, suppose somebody is in Herbalife. If you are somebody in Herbalife, target the people who like Herbalife. So that way you will find some different interests, and there you might find your hidden potential customer in the Facebook, right? That is important part. Same client. And also fifth strategy, use tools. सबसे important बात है, you can use tools like Connect.io or Facebook Insight. Let me give example. There is amazing tool, guys. I want to share this one. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो. In case you are watching on YouTube, नीचे description में link होगा. So let me tell you here. Suppose this is the tool here. आपको कोई target करना है. I have so many tools because that's how I coaching in my business. Suppose आपको target करना है interest. Okay, I have so many tools here, but I'm giving one tool for you. Okay, let's example. Let's go Connect.io. एक Connect.io बोल के एक tool है, and you can use that to suppose. Okay, not this one. Let me go here. Okay, guys. So now if you are enjoying, stick to this one, and this is amazing tool because I am sharing all of this live. Connect.io, all of this. See, basically Connect.io.keyword interest search. आप यहाँ पर जा सकते हो. You can type anything, any keyword. You can type any keyword जो आपको लगता है, and this tool will give you hidden interest, दोस्तों. Hidden interest. Suppose आप यहाँ पे डालते हो yoga for weight loss, or suppose Tony Robbins. I'm just giving example. Okay, that way you will be finding a lot of things are here. Okay, you will be finding a lot of things here, guys. And if you just stay with me, I will be guiding you here. So this tool is loading here, Tony Robbins, or just type somebody here, like I was trying to digital marketing. Digital marketing, kya keywords hai? These are all hidden interests available on Facebook. Guys, this is the $1 million idea because I charge a lot of money for this one, but I'm sharing this in like basically in the mistake number 3. With this tool, you can play with this tool. ये tool आपको कुछ hidden strategy दे सकता है, right? See, guys, digital marketing digital, or some digital marketer. You find something like that one. Okay, that is the mistake number 3. And now I'm telling you. Let me ask you one question in between here. Okay, I told you this tool. Now mistake number 4, right? No split testing in the interest. Okay, for best performing audience, create multiple ad set. Basically, आप इनकेस आप Facebook पे ad रन करना चाहते हो, आप स्प्लिट टेस्टिंग मतलब डिफरेंट इंटरेस्ट आपको टेस्ट करना है. 1 2 सपोज एग्जांपल मैंने यहाँ पे दिया टोनी रॉबिन्स, तो गैरी वेनेचक. ओके, यू कैन टेस्ट डिफरेंट 2 इंटरेस्ट विद द सेम एड एंड सी आपका कौन सा एड आपको ज्यादा लीड्स ला रहा है, कौन सा एड नहीं ला रहा है. सो दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. अब फेसबुक के अंदर यू कैन क्रिएट मल्टीपल एड सेट्स, उसको बोलते हैं सब एड सेट. जैसे मैंने आपको बताना चाहूंगा यहाँ पे कि यू कैन गो टू माय स्क्रीन हियर. आई एम टू शो लाइव हियर. ओके, लेट्स गो हियर एंड लेट मी शो यू लाइव. हियर वी गो. सपोज आप यहाँ पे देख पा रहे हो कि मेरा सपोज एक कैंपेन चल रहा है यहाँ पे. सपोज मेरा एक कैंपेन चल रहा है यहाँ पे कि राइट नाउ. ओके, हियर वी गो. सपोज मेरा डिजिटल एक्सपर्ट फेज 1, दिस इज द कैंपेन गोइंग ऑन. इनसाइड दिस कैंपेन आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे right, I have different interests like public speaking, Gary Vaynerchuk, Tony Robbins. I'm testing. If you see here, there is a huge difference. Like Tony Robbins bringing me 39 rupees cost per lead, Gary Vaynerchuk 76 rupees. If you see, हमें वो टेस्ट करना चाहिए, right? So if you are not doing that one, please do that one, guys. Do that one. उसके बाद में आता है, I want to tell you one thing, one more thing. Secret number 4, right? If you are not doing that one, secret number 4, mistake number 4. Not using narrow down audience feature. Suppose narrow down मतलब क्या हो सकता है कि let me give example here. Suppose आज आप यहाँ पे training, coaching, consulting में हो, right? So who is the leading expert in the training coaching? Like maybe Tony Robbins, Robert Kiyosaki, Gary Vaynerchuk, a lot of things are there, Russell Brunson, and so many things are there, right? If you target that interest, only suppose I target Tony Robbins, what will happen? You know, there are so many people, guys. There are so many people are following Tony Robbins. They might not in training industry, or they are not in business also, right? So how we can do that one? We call it layering. Suppose I will show you live also. Suppose you are targeting Tony Robbins. So you can narrow down the people who like Tony Robbins. They also like somebody Gary Vaynerchuk, or they also like Robert Kiyosaki. You can filter more. They're also interested in online marketing based on your interest, based on your topic. Okay, I'm giving my example here. Suppose that is the layering. That is called layering, right? Let me show you live example here. That is I am sharing, guys, everything inside my funnel. Okay, I hope you are enjoying, because that's why exactly I share in my coaching program also, that I do live coaching programs for all of you, right? So आप मेरा screen देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे. Suppose I'm targeting Gary Vaynerchuk, right? 3 layering. So आप यहाँ पे देख पा रहे हो, इसके अंदर Facebook के अंदर ऑप्शन है. See, Facebook का अंदर ऑप्शन है. Suppose आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो मेरा एज ग्रुप this Gary Vaynerchuk, interest also match like content marketing, coaching, business, and also match online shopping, this. आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे. So I am doing 3. Gary Vaynerchuk, they like Gary Vaynerchuk. Also, they match some online. They are interested in online training, consulting. Also, they are interested in online shopping, something like that one. Okay. So basically, these are the 5 mistakes. Lots of people. Let me recap here, right? Like misunderstanding the interest. People don't understand कि कौन सा interest है. Because of that one, people burn lot of money, guys. People burn lot of money. People बहुत सारा पैसा burn करते हैं because they don't understand the targeting. That's when people say that यार मेरा marketing काम नहीं कर रहा है, मेरा I'm not getting return on investment. Second, all interests are not same. Okay, targeting the obvious interest, just like anybody is targeting, but you know there is a hidden interest. Fourth, no split testing in the interest. मतलब as I told, right? Different audience आप test कर सकते हो. And 5th mistake, not using narrow down feature. Okay, so now I have the question for you. Okay, I have the question for you. What mistake you are making? Okay, what mistake you are making? Okay, what do you think? What mistake? Okay, what mistake you are making? What do you think? आपको क्या लगता है? आप कौन से 5 mistake कर रहे हो आपके business के अंदर? Share in the comment box below. Might be targeting, not getting business, or whatever may be. Share that mistake below. And if you are watching this video on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button to my channel and share what you would like to learn. What you would like to learn. आपको क्या सीखना पसंद है? You can type that one. Also, I want to tell you one thing here. I have a special gift for you. Okay, special gift for you. If you are somebody want to get online, like online में जाना है आपको, online में जीतना है, training, coaching, consulting, want to dominate, get customer, please hop into my upcoming. I will invite you for my upcoming, one of my upcoming masterclass. You can see you can go to dattatolle.co/digital growth. This is my link, or you can check the link in description of this video, dattatolle.co/digital growth. Was that free training? I go deep into this one, and I like to help a lot of people. Okay, awesome, guys. Thank you very much for being here. Share your comment below if you like this video. Share, let me know your comment. I personally review, I personally reply to this one. Okay, I will be creating lots of video, lots of training to win in the online expert business, right, guys? Thank you very much for being here, and I would like to hear you back from you. Okay, let's meet live in upcoming call, and take care. Thank you very much. Dhanyavad.